Alright, with my shoes. Alright. Where's my shoes?
There it is, your shoes.
Where?
Up there, look up.
That is not shoes. That is a boxing glove.
That's a box.
You want a box? Alright, where's the box? I'll put my box up. Box you machine. Ready? Here you go. Alright, my shoes. Yeah. Wait.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
My shoes. My shoes.
What happened?
My shoes, Super Baby.
What happened?
There's something in my shoes. Something in there.
Let me see.
I think I need new shoes, Super Baby. Yeah. Can you check for me? Can you hold my shoes? Hold my shoes. Hold my shoes. Can you check for me?
There's nothing in here.
There's nothing in there?
No.
Are you sure? Can you smell it? Can you smell it for me, please? Why you smell my shoes? Hey, Dinky. Dinky, you smell my shoes.
Okay.
But I need new shoes though. I'm gonna go to I think I'm going to the vending machine.
Okay, vending machine over there.
No, don't throw my shoes over there. What are you doing? I'm gonna get new shoes. Yeah,
I
my.
need a new pair of shoes.
Hey, look at my shoes. We were riding bike, and next thing you know, my shoes. Something wrong with my shoes. Something.
I'll keep this.
Huh?
I will use it by experiment.
What do you mean experiment? What do you plan to do?
I'll fix it.
You gonna fix it? No, I need new shoes though.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Come on, let's take a bike up. Let's go back home. You hold my shoe for me?
Yeah.
You got it? Oh, cause right now I'm wearing socks with my bike right now. I'm wearing socks with my bike right now.
I'm wearing, and I'm holding on with the shoes.
Okay, you hold on the shoes for Daddy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Hey, you left my shoes behind.
Get it.
You left my shoes behind. I need new shoes. Something wrong with my shoes. Huh? I'm gonna try back. Oh, wait up for Daddy. Wait up. Okay, let's go. Get my bike up. Okay, let's go. Come on. Pedal. 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 That was a fun bike ride, huh? Super Baby?
No, I'm just going.
Okay, you got it?
Come on.
You got it? Here. Like this. Like that, see? Got it?
Ah.
Okay, you wait here, okay? I'll be back. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sit down. Grab a seat. Oh, be careful, be careful. Bike. What are you doing? Okay, right here, okay? Right here. I'll be back. I'm planning to go to the vending machine.
There's no vending machine of shoes in your line.
Yeah, there's a vending machine right
No,
down.
I never heard one.
Right down the street here, there's a vending machine. A shoes vending machine. Yeah, you never heard of it? It's new. It's a new thing. Yeah.
Oh, it's not new, is it?
Yeah, you have to wait here, okay? I'll be back. I'll grab it and I'll be back, okay?
I think you're lying. You're going to a store.
No, I'm going to vending machine.
You're
Watch.
going to a store. Okay.
Okay, wait here with mommy, okay? I'll be back. Got it? Thumbs up. Let's see. Thumbs up.
Taking a thumbs.
Down?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be back, okay? I gotta get new shoes. Look at this shoes. It's broken. Okay. Bye. Alright, shoes. Vending machine. What is this? What is that? A banana? Oh, let me see. So, that's a Converse.
Money up here.
Put money up there? Oh, money up there, huh? Well, let me see. I got, what is that, socks? That's Converse, high top. That's Nike. And that's the good shoes. That's a good shoe right there. Let me see. So, oh, who's that? Oh, you the vending machine? Hello, vending machine. Okay, I guess I put my money in first. Okay, hit on money. I'll put it in. It's not going in. What? It's not going in. What? Okay, I'll fix it. How come not going in? Let's see. Oh, right. Let me select a shoes now. Let's see. I want the Converse. Huh? What was that? I just saw a face right now.
Okay, here comes your pair of shoes.
Whoa! What up? Money? That's my money I gave you, did I?
Pair of shoes.
Oh, whoa! Pish! That's not shoes! That is a banana!
Shoes, remember?
No, that's a banana! Hey, I'll get back to you here. I want a pair of shoes. Let me click it again.
Cost us $40.
$40? I don't have $40. Do I get a discount?
Yes, you get a discount of about $0.
Oh, $0? Perfect. Let's click it again.
That goes in $40. It costs us $40, ma'am, if you want.
Ma'am? You call me ma'am? I want a pair of shoes. Let me click it again. Pair of shoes.
It costs us $40.
$40? I thought it said shoe vending machine. What?
$80.
$80? I just put my money in already.
It costs us $40 million for.
Oh! What is this?
It's your torch.
That's a Minecraft. That's Minecraft. Why do you need it? I want shoes. I want a pair of shoes. What is it? I don't want this. I want a pair of shoes. Yeah, I'm putting it. Get back to you. Here you go. Do it again. Alright, with my shoes. Alright. Where's my shoes?
There it is, your shoes.
Where?
Up there, look up.
That is not shoes. That is a boxing glove.
That's a box.
You want a box? Alright, where's the box? I'll put my box up. Box you machine. Ready? Here you go. Come here, machine. I'm gonna box you because you don't get my shoes. Okay, what's my... what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened to the vending machine? It's falling down. Okay, let me click it again one more time. Click again. Huh? Alright, my shoes, yeah! Wait, can you have my shoes? There's only one pair! There should be two pair! Alright! What? Oh, what up? How do you get my shoes on my socks? How do you get my shoes on my feet like that? How do you do that, huh?
Magic, I see.
Look, I'm wearing socks and my shoes over there. How did you do that, vending machine?
This is my magic.
Cool, okay, I need to also buy my kid shoes. Let me click. Let's go up here. Alright. I put my dollar in. Alright, my son's shoes. Yes! I got his shoes. Yeah, he'll be happy. Thank you, machine.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my shoes. Then we go home now. We got brand new shoes. I got brand new shoes. Bye bye machine. Whoa. Bye bye machine. Whoa. Whoa, the shoe machine's chasing me. I gotta go. Okay, bye bye shoe machine. Alright. Got my shoes. Got some new shoes. Got Super Baby shoes. I got your shoes. I got your new shoes, Super Baby.
My shoes are gone. Look at it. Why you stole them?
What happened to your shoes?
I stole them.
What? This is your shoes?
Yeah.
The vending machine. It was in the vending machine.
Wait, let me see.
That was in the vending machine.
I still feel something in my shoe.
What? How did the vending machine take your shoes away like that?
Magic?
I got my shoes. And this is the same shoe I bought. This is the same shoe I was wearing earlier. That too. The vending machine tricked us.
He's magical.
He tricked us.
He's magical.
He gave us our own shoes back. And I had to pay money for those shoes.
No.
Yeah, I had to pay money for my own shoes that I bought a long time ago. How did that vending machine trick us?
I don't know. Hey, is it how? Probably there's magic in him.
Yeah, let's see. Look at my feet. Fix my shoes. Let's see. This is the same shoes I was wearing riding bike earlier. Right?
Too.
Right, Super Baby?
Wait, I don't feel anything anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the same shoes I was wearing earlier.
My shoes are new now.
Your shoes new now? Oh, that doesn't look like the same shoe you had earlier too.
They're new now.
They're new now?
Yeah.
You should have vending machine and take it.
No.
That vending machine was a talking vending machine, and it took my shoes and your shoes. Yeah, it did.
How could it do that?
I don't know. It did it, and it took your shoes, and took my shoes, and it went. And I bought my own pair of shoes that I wore earlier, and I bought a pair of shoes that you wore earlier. So that vending machine tricked us. So what should we do?
What?
What should we do, so
That
baby?
vending machine was good.
That vending machine was good.
How much did it cost for him?
It cost my shoe cost $30. Your shoe cost $40. But you know what? I tricked him. I gave him $1. Yeah, I
What
tricked
did
him.
he say?
He said he don't know. He's like, okay, I'll eat the dollar, like that. See, they took $1 and he gave me your shoes. At first, he gave me a banana. I go, I don't want a banana. I want shoes.
No, he said it was a double barrel shotgun.
Yeah, oh, it's double barrel shotgun
Yeah.
banana. Yeah, that's what it was.
It's like pew, pew, pew.
Yeah. So let's go. Let's go ride bike again. We got our shoes back. Where's your helmet?
Uh-oh, I lost it.
Oh no. Okay, what you say, Super Baby Color?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like me. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, everybody. Make sure you subscribe and like our video.